good afternoon. Welcome to the second video of our TechMax. Today we are going to discuss about how to apply the special fish benefit application form. Alright, yes, the government of Japan has declared to give 100,000 Japanese yen to the poor people, including foreign also. You can also get it, but for it, you must have registered in the basic residential system of Japan by the April 27. If so, you are eligible to receive the benefit. Only the visa holder who are allowed to stay in Japan for more than 3 months can register their address. For example, when you came to Japan in a visit visa, you cannot register your address at the city office. So, people on that visit visa are not eligible for this grant. To receive the amount, you must be legally resident in Japan or you must have residence card or is called Gyro card. Now, rumors are moving. I heard from my friend that the people who have less than 3 months of visa will not be issued. It is true? It is wrong. The residency status of Japan over the duration of the visa will be affect the amount you will receive or not. The residence card is issued only for the foreigners who are residing in Japan for more than 3 months. So, visa holder including working visa, student visa, dependent visa, training visa and refugee applicant can apply for this amount. But those people who are on preparation visa or called a Jimby visa to prepare to return their home country with a stay permit of 1 or 2 months will not be take advantage of this. Now we are going to explain how you can apply the special fixed benefit application form. Now we are going to explain the process how you can apply the special fixed benefit application form. As you can see on my desktop screen, this form is a sample one, but I think there will not so big difference when you got the original one. The application form has 2 pages just like this. To apply for the special fixed benefit payment, you can mail in this application or apply through the My Number portal site. As you can see to the upper right of the form, nothing for you to do here. This is where your local government office will stamp your application to indicate that they have received it. Now move to the upper left of the form. Fill in the white box with the application date in Japanese date format. Starting with the year, use the number 2 for the year because it is the second year of Reiwa period. Then you can write month and day. And let's move to the download section, and in this section you should write the head of the household information. This is the person to whom the payment will be made. Also write in hiragana or katakana pronunciation of your name. If you are alone, then just write your name and go to the next step. Write your full name in this white box. If you have hanko or seal, stamp here. You can also sign your name over this mark. And in the next one, you have to write your date of birth, your current address, and your personal phone number. And let's move to the next one of the bracket where it has already written for those who is eligible for the benefit if you have a family. It is based on the residence registration. So the municipality has already pinned your name and your family member name if you have a family. So when you have this application form, you should check it that it is correct or not. In this column, you have nothing to do because it is pre-printed. The total amount that will be paid to you and any member of your family will be pre-printed here at 100,000 per person. And next to the right of this box, there is another box where you can indicate if the person doesn't want to receive the special benefit payment. So please be careful about the side of this box. This is for those family member who doesn't want to receive the money or to get the money. If you click on this bracket, then they are not getting the amount. So please be careful about this point. And let's move to the next section. You have to choose the way of receiving money. If you wanna make it through the bank, you may have to check A box. If you check in B box, you have to go to the city office or what office to receive the money. So if you have a bank account, you can check to the A box. It is very easy to proceed. If you check A box, then you have to write the information of your bank accounts. Write your bank name, branch name, classification of your account, account number, and account holder name. If you use Japan Post Bank, JP Bank, you can use this column. You can write your account number and account holder number. Now I think most of the people have bank account nowadays, so I think skip the box B explanation because it is the process to receive by going to the city hall or ward office. So I want to skip to this process. Now let's move to the second page. In the second paper, so in the first rectangle box, You should have a copy of a document showing proof of identity of applicant. And in the second rectangle box, you should have a copy of a document verifying that the bank account belongs to you, where you would like to receive the payment.